today's video, I'm going to show you how to get WordPress themes for free. If you're looking to build or revamp your site without spending a dime, this guide is perfect for you. First, open your browser and go to wordpress.com. If you don't have an account, create one. Otherwise, log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll be at the WordPress dashboard, your main hub for managing your website. Look at the left-hand menu and click Appearance. This section controls the look of your site, including themes, customization options, and widgets. In the drop-down, select Themes. Here, WordPress showcases a wide range of themes, both free and paid, but today we'll focus only on the free options. Browse through the available themes to find one that fits your site style, whether it's a blog, portfolio, business site, or online store. Each theme has a preview so you can see how it will look before activating it. Once you've found a theme you like, click Activate and your site's design will update instantly. Don't worry if you change your mind. WordPress allows you to switch themes anytime. Experimenting is the key to finding the perfect style for your site. And that's it. You've successfully explored and applied a free WordPress theme. Your theme plays a huge role in first impressions and user experience. So take your time to find one that truly fits your vision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have questions or want more WordPress tutorials.